All right, hello everyone. I hope you will remember last we were revising about the upper limb, and I told you after we revise the bones of the upper limb that we will be revising or discussing about the muscles of the upper limb. And if you could have a look over here, muscles of the upper limb, I want you to have a look at here. Muscles of the arm I have started with, and you can have a look. This image can maybe give you a better way to see the muscles of the arm. If I could show you, right, maybe this one, but I don't know how to view image. Maybe I can enlarge it. Okay, here. So if you have a look at here, yes, that's better. Now you can have a look. Right. This contour, this muscle is deltoid muscle, which is giving this roundness contour to the shoulder. And then you can have a look at pectoralis major muscle. If you can look at innators here, you can see this muscle is pectoralis major, making the big bulk of the chest. And this is the deltoid muscle, right? Here, coming back. So this is the deltoid muscle. This is the pectoralis major. Coming below, this is the biceps brachii. Two heads of the biceps brachii muscle. Right, and this is the brachialis muscle over here. You can see with my cursor. And in the forearm, this is the brachioradialis muscle. Over here, you could see brachioradialis. These are the extensor radialis longus muscle, extensor carpi radialis longus. This is the pronator teres muscle, right? And this is pronator teres, this is flexor carpi radialis. This is palmaris longus, as you could see, flexor distrum superficialis, and flexor carpi ulnaris. What are the deep muscles of the forearm? We'll do this later. Moving on up to the arm. Again, you could see here on the back, these are the trapezius muscles. See, this is acromion process. And here, these are the trapezius muscle. This is again the deltoid muscle. This is shoulder blade muscles, infraspinatus muscle, teres minor muscle, teres major muscle here. This is the latissimus dorsi muscle. Right, triceps, three heads of triceps muscle. 1, 2, and 3. 3 heads of triceps muscle. This is brachioradialis, same brachioradialis over here. Right. And econius muscle, extensor carpi ulnaris, because this is the medial side. Extensor distrum muscle, extensor carpi radialis over here. Extensor carpi radialis longus muscle over here. See, the brachioradialis is going over there. So these are the muscles which are forming the bulk of the shoulder, upper arm or arm, and the elbow, right? These are the muscles, right? What more we can do is, wait, I'll show you another picture in which we will discuss what these muscles do. How do they work? Wait a minute. And if I can maybe show you. Wait, I'll show you. Right. And screen share. Let me show you here. Have a look. These are basically the principal muscles of the shoulder joint, or they act on the shoulder joint. And you have to remember them like this. I've already shown you. Maybe I can again show you by decreasing these. Okay, maybe now you can see. These are the adductors. In this picture, you cannot see the adductors, supraspinatus muscle, because here, if you could see, this is infraspinatus muscle. So here above would be supraspinatus. Supraspinatus muscle is one of the adductor of the shoulder joint, as you could see, along with the deltoid. Supraspinatus initiates adduction and then it the first 15 degree and then it's carried out by the deltoid muscle to 15 degree to 90 degree. Then there are other adductors like pectoralis major, latissimus dorsi, and subscapularis. So here you could see latissimus dorsi, and here you could see pectoralis major. I showed you above here. So wait, what happened? Right, maybe I can, no. Okay, and then the flexor muscles, these are the biceps brachii, pectoralis major, cocobrachialis, excuse me, and the deltoid muscle, anterior branches. Whereas the extensors are over here, as you could see, triceps brachii, teres major, latissimus dorsi, and deltoid again. Medial rotator of the shoulder joint is pectoralis major, latissimus dorsi, teres major, deltoid, and subscapularis, whereas lateral rotator of the shoulder joint are infraspinatus muscle, teres minor, and again the deltoid. So deltoid muscle, you could see, is doing a lot of work, and that is the muscle which forms the roundness of the round contour of the shoulder joint, or the shoulder, you could say. So these are the muscles which are acting on the shoulder joint. Tomorrow we'll discuss in more detail the muscles of the shoulder joint, or the muscles acting on the shoulder joint. Then again, the muscles of the hand and the muscles which are performing the functions of the hand in the later day, in the later vision. After that, we'll revise the vessels of the arm and then the nerves of the arm and forearm as a whole. Okay, with this, I will end today's revision. Keep revising, keep studying. Bye-bye. Bye for now.